Hey there, my name is Mike Munzing with Munzing Mortgage Group. My office is down here in San Clemente, but I'm all over the county all the time. Always here to help you, the realtor, with your buyers. If you're a buyer, been out here 25 years, work with all types of loans, all aspects of the industry to help you get into that home. Well, I know I make these videos to help you guys. I have heard this week a number of you realtors are out there hoping to make your own videos. If I haven't made that clear, please do give me a call at 949-689-5626. I'd love to give you some tips, some pointers, kind of what got me to this process. I think I've shot probably over a couple hundred videos now, but I'd love to help you do that as well. Also, be sure to go to my website at www.mikemunzing.com to be sure that you get that weekly rate update. Lots of other tools, lots of other tips of what's going on. For the week, this week, rates have edged down just a little bit more, which is fantastic. We need that for our buyers, but we're watching more carefully as some of the other programs are coming available, seeing what's going on with the down payments, but take that with you. At least it gets the conversation started. Also, go over to my website as a whole. Here's the overall site. And be sure and go to my online application, because as I talk to many of you during the week here, a lot of you saying that they're all cash deals coming in. We need to make your buyers who need loans as absolutely bulletproof looking as possible, make them look as good as possible, get those direct lenders, approval letters. I can take care of that for you to make sure that you've got that. But the online application is the first start for that as well. A couple things this week that came to my attention that I see that I'm starting to hear more concurrence out there with you is that some of the deals you're seeing out there are, or some of the escrows are not holding together. I do hear that a lot of the buyers are coming in pre-approved with online lenders, not a local lender that you and others like myself would know. And that is important, is because a lot of these online lenders have loan officers who have not been in the business for a long time. They may not know exactly how to get your borrowers approved. And on the other side, they may be coming to you with an approval for a borrower who in the end cannot buy right now. It may take a year, it may take two, there may be a waiting period. There may be something in their portfolio or their makeup that is keeping them from being able to close that loan officer did not catch. That's the benefit of working with a guy who's been out here 25 years. I do know what to look for, and I don't want you to be 30 days into an escrow and then be calling me, trying to save the deal on a deal that one phone call could have answered it early on. You'd never be at this place because that borrower couldn't buy. I mean, I don't want to be negative. We hope all our buyers can buy, but we know that's not true. So I don't want you to waste time, don't want you to waste money and effort and get yourself into trouble because one of your buyers wasn't ready to go. Okay, that being said, couple things this week. I went yesterday to the Cal State Fullerton Economic Forecast for 2014. Now, I don't agree with everything that they said. I get a little curious when a university who is funded by the federal government a lot of times is giving you big forecasts of wonderful things coming in the future, and that always makes me a little nervous. But what they did say is that the rate should be hanging in there. They're thinking till 2016, but maybe not that long. The rates should be hanging in there long term. At some point, they've got to go up, but they do believe that the government is going to continue to print money, which is not good, but it'll keep the rates down, and that'll help us stay in the game for a little bit longer. Next is a number of items that are coming up at the first of the year, basically January 10th. The qualified mortgages, the QMs, are coming. I'm going to get you more details on that in coming videos because we're waiting on the final information as far as QRMs. It's confusing. This is all part of that Dodd-Frank Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Qualified mortgages and qualified residential mortgages. How confusing is that? Two different rules. They're looking at them similarly, but one has added in details that they haven't nailed down yet. We're going to I'm going to be bringing more videos on that to you as soon as I get those nailed down. One other aspect, a lot of you know that I'm also on the city council for Aliso, Viejo. I want to take just a minute to encourage you, the realtors, to pay more attention to what's going on in your specific marketplace, your community, the areas you farm, whether it be in the little Aliso Viejo or Mission Viejo or even up in Brea and Anaheim, wherever you are. Stay tuned to what's going on. There's a lot coming down the pipe in the different communities. I do now spend a lot of time with a lot of city leaders purely because we're on boards and committees together, but there's a lot coming down, and it's important for you to know which city leaders are helpful to the realtors and who are trying to hurt you, and to support the ones that are on your side, on our side in real estate. And that is very helpful because we need the help of our communities. We definitely need the help of our realtors because you have more at stake for the private property aspects of your city than almost anybody, because that's our business. That's what we do. So stay tuned, stay in touch, stay supportive of those who you like. I'm endorsed by OCAR and the folks over there because they know that I'm watching out, trying to make sure that I'm protecting private property rights. So it's important for you to stay in touch, stay connected. If you ever want to give me a call and ask me questions on who is in your area, I'd love to help, but stay in tune with that. Hey, this weekend is going to should be beautiful, should be great. Our last weekend before daylight savings time goes away. We've got Halloween coming up. That should be a lot of fun next Thursday. So enjoy that, have fun with that. And I'm here for you, and I'm here for your buyers. So once again, my phone number is 949-689-5626. I look forward to working with you. Look forward to working with your buyers. God bless you. God bless your family. God bless this beautiful country. Have a great weekend, and call me anytime. Bye-bye.
Money, 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 money.